Technical and Derivative Research at Axis Securities on the technical side, and we also have Mayuresh Joshi, Head Equity at Markets Mind India on the fundamental side of things. So gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us on the show. Rajesh, I'm going to come to you first, and like I mentioned earlier, Nifty hitting record highs for 3 straight sessions, Nifty Bank above 50,000, mid cap, small cap have also been hitting record highs. You have sectoral moves, sectors also hitting record highs. Nonetheless, Nifty has been trading slightly range bound. So what do you have to make of this anomaly that we are seeing in the market, and what's the view going ahead into next week?
Good afternoon, Sneh. Good afternoon, everyone. So Nifty restricted its gain less than 1% week on week, but the way market behaved during the week, it was very strong buying action across the board in the so many sectors. So that clearly giving us confidence. There is full of confidence on the street, and retailers and participants are aggressively buying in the market. The sectors where we were seeing underperformance in last couple of years, a sector like paper, fertilizer, even sugar and other sectors, now they have started participating in this rally. So looking at the broader market, we are holding our bullish view. The kind of buying action across the sector which we are witnessing, that clearly shows that this rally can extend further, and possible target for Nifty we can see towards 23,700 to 800 in the continuation of this up move. So buy on dip should be your strategy based on the derivative data. The major major put writers are placed at 23,300, 23,100 strike. So these areas are likely to act as a major support area for any kind of minor dip if happens in the market. So your stop loss should be placed at 23,200 to hold long position. On the higher side, 23,700 would be the possible target in the near term basis. On the Bank Nifty, still Bank Nifty is struggling to give decisive breakout above 50,000 mark. So that's the challenging level at this moment based on the call concentration. So I think if Bank Nifty starts a new week above 50,000, 50,100 mark, then there would be short covering action, and then possible rally can extend to 50,500 to 50,600 for Bank Nifty also. Though most of the banking stocks have shown some buying interest in this week, so I think next week we could see a rally in the banking stocks, and Bank Nifty can also start contributing to this upward momentum. At this moment, yes, we are holding bullish view for Bank Nifty. Your stop loss should be placed at 49,600 to hold long positions.
Okay, so you would be holding the long positions. I have another question also to you, Rajesh, but I'll come back to you. And we have Mayuresh Joshi also on the show. Mayuresh, welcome. Priyanka this side, first time talking to you on the show here. Welcome back. You're watching Your Trades. Mayuresh Joshi on the fundamental side. On technical side, we have Rajesh Palviya. Rajesh, I heard you were saying that you would be long from here. And there's one more reason to it. Of course, FIs have significantly come down on the short positions from 3.4 lakh contracts. Now their short position is merely 34,000. What does this indicate? Are we in for more higher levels? FIs can turn bigger buyers, because at least the selling has stopped. The quantum of buying is not that significant, but at least the selling has stopped.
So Priyanka, if you look at the last 5-6 month data, FIs were absent in the market, and this really is led by the domestic participant. I think they have cut down their short position. So again, this is showing that there is a pain on their short position. That's why they are cutting down their short position. And I think if FIs are not doing short position at this moment, so the retailers are participating in this market, and they are quite bullish on the market. So I think domestic flows are driving this market at this moment, and the way we are seeing that incremental growth in SIP flows and other avenues. So I think that is likely to continue further, and we believe that this trajectory can continue further more higher, though FIs are not buying in the market at this moment also. So I think domestic flows can drive the rally, as most of the domestic themes are playing out in this market. So that clearly shows that everybody is optimistic towards the growth trajectory of Indian economy, and that's why this is the sign of the continuity of this bull market.
Thanks for that view coming in. Mayuresh, I'm going to come to you and I want to get a little sector specific here. Let's talk about three sectors in focus. First, on the gaming side, you have the real estate space, right? Do you still see more legs for this rally given that the PMAY has been extended? And on the flip side, you've seen FMCG and IT being the top laggards today. And I can't help but notice that the top Nifty 50 losers, 4 out of 5 are from your proxies. Okay. Rajesh, coming to you, one last question. What would be your recommendations for the coming week?
So first stock is from the pharma space. Cipla is on our radar. Stock is now at all-time high trajectory. The way stock managed to give breakout of last 3-week consolidation, that clearly shows that there is a continuity of the uptrend. We believe that Cipla can continue furthermore upside towards 1620. One can buy this stock with stop loss of 1530. The second stock is JSW Energy. Stock managed to give breakout of its multiple supply zone on the daily chart. Stock is almost enjoying its all-time high trajectory. So JSW is looking bullish. Technical structure on weekly as well as on the daily is showing that this momentum can extend further. Upside target we are projecting towards 710. Keep your stop loss at around 668. And the third stock, which is Triveni Engineering. Most of the sugar stocks have done well, and Triveni Engineering again, looking very promising. The way stock managed to give breakout of almost 7-8 week consolidation, that clearly shows that here we can see a follow-up buying action in coming week. Possible target we can see towards 425. Triveni Engineering is buy with stop loss of 388.
Right, Rajesh, thanks for that view coming in on the technicals. And gentlemen, thank you both so much for joining us today and taking the time out. But on that note, Mayuresh and Rajesh, we'll let you go. Thanks so much for joining us. All right, viewers, with that, it's a wrap on this special edition of Your Trades. We're heading into a long weekend, Priyanka. I'm really excited. So, truncated week next week, but still lots to watch out for. But we'll let you go on that note. Thanks to our guests also, and thanks viewers for tuning in. We'll see you on Tuesday. Enjoy the long weekend.
And that's a special day for complete 18 Hour team.
Absolutely, it's our 15th anniversary, so don't miss that celebration with us as well.